Hello guys, MyTQ here, and today I'm going to do a review of Beyblade Metal Fusion, fake Burn Fireblaze and fake Dark Wolf. So these are two fake Beyblades. Both have clashed against each other in the anime. So I'm gonna start with the ripcord, and here is the black ripcord, same as the other fake one, but there's a different ripcord with the Bone Phoenix. It's the blue one. So yeah, it's kind of cool to have a different ripcord. And now I'm gonna show you the box. Same launchers. Yeah. We get a red tool. Okay, and we get a yellow tool. It's not really yellow. In camera it seems like it's yellow, but it's kind of like orangish yellow. So yeah, now I'm gonna start with Burn Fireblaze first. As you can see, Burn Fireblaze face bolt is already printed, so I don't need to stickerize it. Here's the fake burn wheel, as you can see. Yeah. Fireblaze energy ring. I don't have the stickers. Okay, sorry for that. Here we have the spin track. The fire in the anime, Burn Fireblaze has the yellow spin track and the performance tape, but it shows that it's a fake, so it's a white performance tape. I don't know which one it is. And here we have a plastic fake MS metal spike, and it came with a metal performance tape, which is also metal spike. So yeah. And now we have Dark Wolf. So here is Dark Wolf. It says wolf, so that's kind of cool. And here we have the wolf energy ring, dark wheel, same way as we have in the Dark Wolf. DF downforce, and here we have this performance tip. And Dark Wolf doesn't came with a performance tip. I don't know why. Yeah. So now, as you can see, here are both Beyblades. So what I'm gonna do is to cut this video and make them, because that makes the video long. So yeah guys, here we have the Burn Fireblaze or the Burn Phoenix, whichever you want to call. And yeah, back kind of strange, white and yellow. I don't know why they don't make the spin track and performance tip yellow, because the face bolt is yellow. Weird. And here we have the Dark Wolf. Back, it's not red, it's kind of like dark red, yeah. I like this dark wheel, very cool. And it's metal performance tip. So now battle time. The battle is between these two, so let's see who's gonna win with my trustful stadium. Okay, just for a moment. And okay, so the fight has begun. Okay, Dark Wolf loses. World Phoenix wins. So this time I'm gonna launch. Wait a minute. Don't just do a stadium out. And after losing half of his power, he loses again. So that means 3 losses to the Dark Wolf. Now this metal performance step is of Dark Wolf, but what you can is of this metal performance step is of Burn Fireblaze. So what we're gonna do is to give this metal performance step to the Dark Wolf to see if it's changing something or not. Okay. It can take some time. Okay, there we go. Dark Wolf with metal MS, metal spike. Another trip. Another trip. Okay, so the fire is going on, and he survives. Okay, he's fighting very well. Okay, again, fight number 2. Okay, so the fight is going on. Okay, so Dark Wolf loses again. Still, Dark Wolf is still weaker than Burn Phoenix. I'm not gonna do a battle with Burn Phoenix metal performance step, because you know we're gonna win. It's not like it's gonna lose or something. But still, I'm gonna show you. Okay, there we go, Burn Phoenix with metal performance step. Let's see what he can do. Okay, wait a minute. This is okay. Keep going the trip and do another trip. Okay, this is crazy. Again. Okay, here we go. Attacks are made by Dark Wolf, and Dark Wolf loses. Okay guys, so still Burn Phoenix is stronger than Dark Wolf in both anime and in real life too. So guys, Mighty Q here, and don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe. Bye.